Last night we had a tornado here. It's pretty scary. A lot of big trees came down. It happened extremely fast. We are very lucky that we're all okay. But we had a very close call with the house here. Normally, I like a good thunderstorm, so I was sitting outside. Steve had just gotten home. He walked through the door and said, "Is Glenn Powell about to be here?" A Twisters reference. And about a minute later, the wind started picking up and all the trees are swaying and moving, and that happens normally with thunderstorms here, so we didn't think anything of it. Then all of a sudden, there was a ton of wind and rain. No lightning, no thunder, wind and rain. It was a white wall of rain and wind. You couldn't see anything, and you could hear trees going down in the woods, one after another, crack, crack, crack. Really crazy, really scary. I was shaking. And there is a massive tree down that almost hit the back of the house, that took out a lot of other trees with it. But it was pretty scary because you feel kind of helpless. Like, the trees were green, presumably healthy. I read online it takes at least 90 miles an hour of wind speed to break a tree in half, but it just shredded these massive trees. So there was a lot of damage in the area. But I don't know if bad weather is starting to follow me. I'm starting to get that feeling.
So I was driving home last week and I was seeing the sky turn pretty dark and violently black, more so than any normal storm. And right about the time I started thinking that, I saw leaves and branches and twigs being blown off of large trees, say from right to left, but instead of just keeping going to left, they would be sucked up. And then that lasted for about 3 to 5 minutes until I got back here to the house and then parked the car, and then 3 minutes later this happened. It is 1, 2.
So that tree split. There's two other big trees down over there, but this split and is now hanging over. It got caught on a few other trees, but if it falls, it'll take out this back patio area here. It's a big tree. We just had the porches all cleaned, so got a little mess to clean up here. But everything was good over here. Because the wind came from the northwest, all the wind blew trees down over here, but we were protected on this side, so all my plants, like all of these were fine, totally fine, just sitting here. Even little bird houses, or bird nests, I guess. Everything over here was fine. My beautiful zinnias were fine, that I grew from seed. So we're very lucky we didn't have damage over here. Steve, I just cleaned this all up too. So, this tree split. Insane power there. And it's hanging over the back porch now. Uh-oh. How do we get through? We'll let you go first. Oh, good job. I don't know. Should go. Oh my gosh. Absolute mess. It's a massive tree. Massive tree fell. Big pile of tree mess. How you doing, Steve?
Good. Taking a break.
You're working hard. A lot of trees went down on our path. It's hard-working Steve down there.
Sweaty Steve.
Sweaty Steve, as you said.
Chainsaw makes quick work of this shit, though. I tell you that.
Tell me about your new chainsaw.
We'd had the same one for 30 years in the family, and we had the same chainsaw for over 30 years, a Husqvarna, and it was losing compression, so it was finally time to get a new one. So this is a Steel MS291. 20-inch bar.
New
It's
chainsaw.
it's kind of like a medium-sized one, but it makes quick work of all this stuff. Cuts like butter.
These were the trees that went down towards the top of the driveway. Steve cut up. Big pile. Look at how massive this tree is that went down. This massive tree went down and it compromised and split this one.